Hi friends, welcome to Navani Spice Magic. Today I am going to prepare Rayalaseema most popular and special combo, Pulagam with peanut tomato raw onion chutney. Unlike regular khichdi, this is a bit dry, not soft. It is super tasty and an amazing combination. Let's start the preparation. Before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit bell icon to get instant notifications. If you like my videos, raise a thumbs up and leave your valuable comments. So let's begin. Ingredients required for this are rice. I have taken 1.5 cup, washed it and soaked it for half an hour. This is split green gram. I have dry roasted it a little bit, then washed it and soaked it for 30 minutes. Then you need onions. I have taken 2 small onions and chopped it. Coriander chopped. Taken 1 big tomato and chopped it. Green chilies, I have slit them. Garlic, I have crushed it. Turmeric powder. Salt to taste. You need peppercorns, mustard seeds and cumin seeds. We shall heat a vessel in which we are going to cook. We are not going to cook this in cooker. Khichdis are usually made in cooker. Khichdi is soft, so it is made in cooker. But this is pulgam, which will be little dry and it has to be done outside. Now we'll add oil to this. We are not going to use ghee or butter into this. Once the final product is done, while serving, if you like, you can add little ghee onto it. Now the oil is heated, we'll add peppercorns, mustard seeds and cumin seeds into this. To this we'll add green chilies, crushed garlic. Now we'll add onions. Saute them till they get little translucent. These need not fry completely. Now we are going to add these tomatoes, chopped tomatoes. Let them saute for a little bit. Now we'll add turmeric powder, salt. Mix this properly. We shall add coriander. Mix this properly. Now we'll drain out water from rice and dal and add the rice and dal to this. Give this a mix and saute for 2 minutes, not much time. 2 minutes you need to saute all this into this. It's 2 minutes now. What we will do is we'll add water to this. So according to your rice and dal, you add the water. I have taken 1.5 cup of rice and 3/4 cup of dal. So I'm adding accordingly. You shouldn't add too much of water. Don't make it too soft. Mix it properly. Cover it and cook it until it is done. Let's prepare a perfect combination for this pulagam. It is tomato onion chutney. Onions, we are going to use them raw. We are not going to fry onions in this recipe. Tomato, we are going to fry all other ingredients except onions. Coriander, green chilies according to your spice, garlic, tamarind pulp a little bit, peanuts 1/2 cup, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, salt to taste. We'll heat a kadai, add little oil to this, add peanuts, cumin seeds and coriander seeds into this. Saute this till peanuts are fried. we shall add green chilies and garlic into this. Saute these also properly in this. Now we shall add tomato pieces into this. Now we are going to cook until tomatoes become soft. We shall add little salt to this. Coriander as well. Mix it. Once this is done, you can turn off the stove. To this we will add tamarind pulp. Mix it and turn off the stove and allow it to cool down completely. Then we will grind this. So this is cooled down now. We'll grind this into the. We'll put this into the mixie and grind this. So this is done now. Now what we will do is we'll add these onions into this, raw onions. Now we'll grind this coarsely. So this is done. We are going to transfer this into a bowl. We are not going to add any tempering for this. Here is our Rayalaseema special pulagam with tomato, peanut, raw onion chutney. This is a highly nutritious dish, most popularly made in Andhra families. It is a version of khichdi but little variation. I hope you like my video, and if you do so, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.